Day I was looking in this drawer with all of the old electronic stuff for some cord with, I'm not really sure of the technical name for the output, but, and guess what I found? Floppy disk. And I just want to share this with you guys. I thought I would let you see my newfound interest in floppy disk. And if any of you want to mail something to me that allows me to play these, that would be awesome, because I really want to play the floppy disk and see what's on them. I know they say what's on them. For instance, this one says stocks. And that's probably my dad's trading account. This one actually doesn't say anything on it. Just us. And anyway, floppy disk. Help us out.